I'm unbeatable. I can't be beat. It's impossible. You can dent me. You can damage me. You're never ever going to beat me. I didn't know how unbeatable because I had never been beaten that badly. It's like a fighter. Just look at it as a fight. There's plenty of times you go in the ring, you fancy the job. You're unbeatable.
Yeah.
It's all in the head. Other times you go in the ring and think, this geezer's too good for me. You've lost before you start.
Yeah.
I'm unbeatable. I'm totally and completely, unequivocally unbeatable.